welcome to another episode of Afro Scientific Spirituality. My name is Efe West, reaching your life and direct from the heart of Africa. If this is your first time on this channel, this is a place where we separate the facts from the fiction, the science from the superstitions, and the concept from the misconceptions about African spirituality. In this channel, I try to explain African spirituality as best as I can, and I try to talk about the topics that are very difficult to talk about, and I try to do justice to many misconceptions that people have been believing about African spirituality. I welcome you to this channel, and please like and share the channel and the video, and subscribe as well. Today I want to talk about a very simple and powerful spell which involves the use of Bint El Sudan Perfume. This very perfume here, how to use it to draw customers to your shop or your business, and for general attracting favor to your life, favor and good things. This perfume is originally from Sudan, Bint El Sudan. I have talked about it in this channel. It's the most popular perfume, spiritual perfume in Africa. It is originally from Sudan. The meaning is daughter of Sudan. It's a very, very ancient African fragrance that people have been using since the ancient time of Kush, the Kushite empire that sprang up in Sudan. From Kush it went to Kemet, to Egypt, and now the perfume is still around in present Africa. It's currently being produced in Nigeria. It was formerly produced in Sudan. Later the company moved to Nigeria, and they sell over 7 million copies of this perfume a year. So the perfume is still with us today, and many spiritualists use it. In West Africa, it's very, very popular. We use it for a lot of spells. If you are familiar with African spirituality, you must know about this perfume. Today I want to show you a very simple spell on how to use this perfume to draw customers to your shop. We can have situations whereby you have a business or a shop in a crowded place whereby there are many people like you, many competitors that are selling the same products. You are having difficulty getting customers to your shop. You might have yourself in a situation whereby you already having customers, but you want to retain your customers, or you want your shop to be more comfortable. You want people to stay. Yes, you want to create an enabling environment that when people come to your shop, they will not want to go. They will want to sit down, chill out, relax, hang around. This is very effective if you run in a restaurant, you run in a bar, you run in a place of relaxation, or you just want people to patronize you. You want people to come to your house. You want to have a lot of friends. You can also use this very spell. Okay, so to do this spell, what you will need essentially, first of all, is to get a bottle of this perfume. Okay, you get the perfume, you get a coconut, just one coconut, fresh coconut, very beautiful coconut, fresh one, not the one that is old. When you go there, look for those ones that they have recently carved, that are looking fresh, that are looking shiny, the ones that just came from the tree recently. You see them, they look like a very light brown. You don't want to get those ones that are dark brown. You know that this one have been outside long time. Those old coconuts that people have refused to buy, or they have been in the shop for a long time, their power has begun to dissipate. You don't want those old ones. want to get a fresh coconut that just recently came down from the tree. Okay, if possible, if you can pluck that coconut yourself, you can pluck it in a way you don't let it touch the ground too much. It's better you pluck it without even letting it touching the ground. Okay, you don't keep them on the ground, it drains the power of the coconut, so you want to keep them in your top shelf on the table. So you go to the market, you get a fresh, newly plucked coconut. Then you get salt, a pinch of salt. You have that in your kitchen. Every kitchen have one. If you don't have salt or you want to go deeper still, if you have a beach close by, you get seawater. Seawater, I always get it from the beach. I live in an island, so I'm very lucky to have a steady supply of seawater. So seawater is naturally salty. It is more powerful than salt water. So this is what I use for my cleansing and any kind of work that involves using salt water. I use seawater for it because it's much more powerful and much more natural. So I always have a steady supply at my place. So if you can get seawater, it is the best. But if you are not living near the beach, your salt water will do just fine. Okay, you get salt from your kitchen. So what you need to do is that you break the coconut. You don't need much coconut water. You can just get enough that will fill this glass. This is a very popular drinking glass we have in Africa, West Africa. We call it 1/3. If you take just one shot of ogogoro like this in the morning, you know where that will take you. It's going to knock you. You're going to feel it. You take 1/3 of this coconut water just to measure it. You can drink the rest or use it for something else. Then for your Bint El Sudan perfume, 1 tablespoon will do. You're not going to down the whole bottle. Okay, just 1 tablespoon is enough to mix that coconut water. Then for your salt, a teaspoon of salt will be fine. Just 1 teaspoon of salt is okay. Okay, if you can have seawater, you can take like half glass of the seawater is also okay. But if you don't have seawater, 1 tablespoon. So what you get is that you mix all this with 1 liter of water. 1 liter of water, your regular beer bottle in Nigeria is equivalent to a liter. Okay, you mix all this into 1 liter of water together. As you are mixing it, you are talking, you just making the pronouncement that you want customers, you want people to come to your shop, you want this, you want that. You're just talking as naturally. The essence of the talking is to put your intention, to express your intention, your desire of what you want to happen. You can just say it in your mind or say it out loud. Better you say it out loud so the universe will know. So when you have mixed this solution together, you can get a spray can. You know those cans we use to spray like shelters, something you can see in the screen. If you get something you can spray with, you mix this solution and you put it inside the spray can. Then basically you use it to spray your shop. You can get a rag, just appear to be cleaning your shop. You use it to clean your shop, use it to clean the door, you clean the windows. You just use it to do cleaning. When people see you, they will be happy you are cleaning your shop. They don't know that you are doing a very special cleansing. Wipe down your door, wipe down the chairs, wipe down your table, wipe down the whole shop, wipe everywhere clean, make it look neat. And you do this in the morning or 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Don't do it in the night. Do it when the sun is coming out. Then, especially 12 in the afternoon when the sun is on full power, you do it very well. Then you relax. What will happen is that your store will be shining. Your store will appear inviting to people. Your store will stand out. People will feel happy coming to your shop. They just want to come. And when they come after shopping, buying things or eating, they will not want to go. They will want to relax, to just hang around, and just chill out in your shop. What will happen is that you will have a lot of people hanging around your shop. That is what, because your shop will appear comfortable to them. It will give them this kind of feeling. You know, when people go to the beach, that kind of relaxing feeling, that chilling out feeling, that they just want to rest, relax their mind. They don't want to think. They just come there to refresh. Your shop will have that kind of atmosphere or ambience. So people will be more comfortable sitting down and hanging around in your shop. And when they hang around your shop, you might want to encourage them to buy or patronize you more. So that is what will happen when you do this spell. Okay, very simple and effective, powerful spell. You can also use this solution to take you to back. If you maybe you want favor, you want people to like you want to have a lot of friends, you want to be cool, you want to look cool to people, that this person have a very cool personality, you want people to like you. You will use this solution where you want to bath, you will put it in your water, you using it to take your baths, and you come out in the morning. It's very good. People will be liking you, people will feel comfortable with your presence, might want to tell you your secret, people want to be hanging around you, be going out with you. So it's going to make you look cool. So this is one spell you can use if you want to be cool, want to get friends. Okay. So this is a spell, a very simple spell, very powerful spell, and natural spell. So I want you guys to try it out and tell me what you think. Okay. This spell, the problem with it is that it has a bad side, though, let me tell you. It's going to attract all sorts of people to you. The good, the bad, the ugly, everybody will want to be your friend. So when you do this for your shop, bad people are still going to come to your shop too. Still, people you don't want, undesirable element will also be attracted to you. So that is what you need to know. So all sorts of characters is going to be coming to you. It is you that will choose. So you have to be very careful and clever. What I mean is diplomatic, because you don't want to be seen to be shouting at people, pushing people away, getting mad. It's going to be bad on you. So we want to be diplomatic in pushing certain people away without bringing attention to yourself. So you have to be very diplomatic. The kind of people you want to attract, you need to find a way to target those sort of people. Okay, and you don't want to be seen to be rude to your customers. So you have to be very diplomatic in selecting people and in pushing people out. The kind of people you don't want, you need to find a way to take them out of the place. So that is the problem you will have. Everybody will be attracted to you because people will feel comfortable. So criminals, serial people will come, mad people, mental people, all sorts of people is going to be attracted to you. So you have to be clever in how to deal with them. So that will be your own cup of tea. Apart from that, the spell is perfectly fine. Easy spell to do. Spell will give you customers, bring money to you, bring connections to you too. So this is how it works. So I'm very here for people that are practicing spirituality. You guys are going to be knowing a lot of things as we go deeper into the Aquarius age. More and more secrets are coming out to the open. For people that are awake, this is our time. So we are going to claim back our power and claim back the things that have been taken away from us, that have been eaten away for a long time. Those secrets are going to be coming out. And we just have to be steadfast and engage in our spirituality full time. Now it's very easy to make contact with spirits, to make contact with the spirit world. The veil is very, very thin, and it's getting thinner as we go deep into the year. So this year is going to be a very great year, very exciting and prosperous year for people that are on the spiritual path. So you'll be getting more things. I'll be exposing more remedies, more spells, and more very deep ancient African secrets that you can use to improve your life. You can actually use to make changes in your life. I'll be doing a lot of heavy stuff in this channel, shocking stuff that have never been talked online before. I'll be talking about those kind of things. I hope YouTube will allow me to say some things without blocking me. But I have many things in store for you guys this year. So please try this spell and start using it to make money and start using it to change your life. And questions and comments are welcome as usual. Like and share this video. Tell your friends about this channel. Subscribe to this channel. And I will see you in the next video. Take care and bye.